And a pleasant good Tuesday morning. It's November 7th, 2023. Yeah, we're gonna have another partly cloudy day today in Southern California. The weather should be nice for the most part. It should be in the low 70s again today and mid to upper 70s through the rest of the week, and then a warm weekend. But then they say by next week we could get some rain finally, like a week from tomorrow, Thursday. A much needed rain too. And yeah, it's supposed to be a wet winter too this year. Meanwhile, there will be no basketball today, but all the games will resume tomorrow. And Dave Roberts, unfortunately, isn't nominated for Manager of the Year despite all the injuries and winning our division. Well, he already won Manager of the Year in his rookie season as manager, which was great. And also, happy birthday's going out to Jim Cott, the late Joe Niekro, Morgan Spurlock, and to Buck Martinez. But yes, it is going to be a partly cloudy day today. And we do need the rain for sure. I don't know how many inches we're going to get. But yeah, we do get rain in November and December. You know, it is the start of the rainy season. But it's probably not cold enough to bring snow to the mountains though. And at least the Celtics lost yesterday. Yeah, the Clippers are at 500. The Lakers are a game under 500. Well, you know, we're 0-4 on the road, and winning on the road's really difficult. Winning at home is really good. Of course, we have 41 home games, 41 road games. And Anthony Davis might be hurt. Yeah, he's the glass man. Always disabled is what it stands for. Yeah, players can't stay healthy anymore like they used to. But even we went to the conference finals last season. Denver's in really good shape though. That's why they're the defending NBA champions. But usually when we play Miami, we lose over there and we win here. Yeah, same thing for Phoenix. But yeah, we only play Miami twice a year, but we play Phoenix 4 times a year, you know. It's because Miami's in the Eastern Conference, Lakers in the Western, and Heat in the West, Suns in the Western Conference. And well, I hope you all have a good rest of your Taco Tuesday. I'll catch you later.